Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Kay, and here on my channel I share everything nails with you. In this video we'll be doing a 3-week rebalance on my client's nail. Now for this client I like to use both polygel and a builder on her nails. Her job is very demanding, so she works with her hands a lot and she's a picker, so we have to make sure she has some strength as well as some flexibility there to withstand her daily routine when it comes on to work. You'll see that she has a chip nail on her middle finger, and that's just from work with her tussling with these people. So, yeah. So right now I'm just debulking her product. I want to say this is 3. She had to have a bit of polygel on her free edge, but it's been 3 fills since I restructured her nail. So I'm just going ahead to restructure her nail once more, and then the next restructuring may be at the end of September, early October. So yeah, so I'm just going ahead, debulk the product, and then we'll go straight in with my cuticle pusher to push her cuticle back. Then we'll be going in with my medium barrel cuticle bit to exfoliate that cuticle and take up any dead skin that's on the existing new growth, as well as our sidewall. So I'll let you guys watch this portion and I'll be right back. Now guys, I don't nip for every one of my client, but for this one I have to make sure she doesn't have anything to pick at, so I'm only nipping the visible dead skin, and then I'll go straight in with my round top cuticle bit to exfoliate and smoothen that cuticle out. You could use a ball bit, whether fine or medium depending on the client's skin type. So yeah, I'll be going with my fine round head or cylinder cuticle bit to exfoliate that cuticle and make sure it's nice and smooth and she doesn't have any raggedy edges to pick at. Once we're done exfoliating that cuticle, we're going to be going in with my 180 grit nail file to reduce her length just a little. Then we'll go in and dehydrate and cleanse that nail plate, and I like to use both alcohol and acetone to do this. You could use swipe, or whatever solution or dehydrator you have to use on your nail plate. Go ahead and use that, and then you go straight in to prime the nail. If you prime, I'm using my Young Nail Protein Bond, and then I'll be using my gel bottle rubber base on her nails. We'll cure that for 60 seconds, and then we'll go straight in applying her polygel. The polygel that I'm using is from Macart. and I love using this product. I've been using it for a while now. Don't have any problem with it. So I'll be applying it from the free edge of our nail up to about the middle of our nail. And then we'll be flash curing. I hope the light doesn't irritate you guys too much. But the process is pretty repetitive. I did leave the full process in here so you guys could see. So yeah. And guys, I have not been on YouTube Live because I've been getting these headaches. And this week was my worst week. I took off early on Thursday to come home and sleep. Yesterday I had 6 clients, which was Friday, August 1st. I got through the clients and I cleared my schedule for today, August 2nd. I just needed the day to sleep and not to wake up and do any errands, drop my kids off for camp, or worry about how many clients I have for the day, what you're getting. So yeah, now that I feel a little rested, I am up editing my videos to share with you guys. So I'm still posting on my videos, my weekly uploads, so you guys could connect with me there. I will be back soon, I promise. I miss you guys. I'm gonna have to find a happy medium though. Maybe go live once every 2 weeks, maybe on a Thursday, a Friday, or Thursday and then Saturday, and then I'll do my weekly uploads. So I'm gonna try and figure it out so I'm not getting burned out. And then once I get the schedule together, I will share it with you guys and try to stick to that schedule. But I don't want to be inconsistent with YouTube, so I wanted to let you guys know that your girl has just been taking it easy, and I'm resting in between. And I'm trying to figure out where these headaches are coming from. But honestly, I just feel like I just been going like an Energizer bunny, and I need some rest, so I'm resting. So here I'm just going in with my Macard clear polygel, and I'm using the polygel. I'm applying the polygel at the free edge of the nail and taking it up to the middle of the nail. I'm flash curing in between, and then she'll do a full 60-second cure before we go in with the rubber base clear builder. So yeah, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch this portion, and then if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section, and don't forget to leave me a like. So I'll be back once we get to the filing and shaping and so on. Alright guys, so after applying her clear builder, we went ahead and dehydrate. You guys aren't seeing the end of it because I forgot to start the camera, but we're going straight in with our 100/180 nail file to clean up that sidewall, and you guys could tell the polygel swelled up after the full cure, so it will do that. So use less product if you may. I'm a little heavy-handed, I will admit that. So yeah, and I will be going in with my 100 grit side of my nail file to file the edge of the nail, the free edge of the nail where I applied the polygel. Then I'll be going in with my 240 grit sanding band to make sure everything is nice and sealed. There's no lumps and bumps for application. Now she's in a wedding today, Saturday. So she wanted something nice and clean. The bride told her nude, but she went with black French. It is a black tie wedding, so she wanted to do full black on her toes and then black French on her nails. We did also do a pedicure. I did not record that. I will be recording more of my pedicure videos. Seeing that I've been getting a little bit more views on that one. So thank you guys so much for supporting and watching me and commenting on those videos. If you have any questions about those pedicure videos, or if you'd like to see more, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have any questions about this process, please leave them down in the comment section as well. I love engaging with you guys. Actually excites me. I find myself going back for my lady, milady standard nail tech book, and just reading over terminology so I could start using the proper terminologies since I'm sharing my work with you guys. So yeah, I find myself just recapping and diving into the structure of the nail even more than I do already. So yeah. If you guys are liking the video so far, please don't forget to leave me a like. And if you are a new viewer watching, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me and watching my videos. It is it doesn't go unnoticed. It does not go unnoticed. So I appreciate you guys. So here I'm just going in with my 240 grit sanding band to make sure her nails are nice and smooth. And you guys could see that smile line, that curvature underneath her free edge. Chef's kiss. So for our nails, I will be going in with my D&D. I use both Mastermind and my Gossip Girl, and you'll be able to tell that I've been using my Gossip Girl nonstop. So I need to go ahead and re-up on my Gossip Girl. Mastermind, I still have quite a bit in there. I had some packages come in this week from Born Pretty. I bought a few of their moon gels and their cat eyes, the colors that I didn't really have. So fall is coming up, so it's time for me to start getting my fall shades in, my neutrals and so on. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm picking up a little bit of stuff here and there, not too much because I'm still on a nope spin. And every 2 seconds I see a next all video, I'm writing down what I want to get. So yeah, so there I went in with my mastermind before going in with my Gossip Girl. So you guys did not see that clip, but I'm going in with Gossip Girl right now, and I'm just doing a thin coat over it to get that pink nude base that we are looking for. And I love how our nails turned out, guys. Look at that. They're not too thick, they're not too thin, they're perfect for her. I know when I got done with her nails and I started doing her pedicure, I was like, your nails look really nice. So she was like, thank you. So yeah, I was just playing around with her after the process. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch this portion, and I'll be back once we get to top coat. Alright guys, we're all done with our Frenchies. We're going in with our Gel Bottle Extreme Shine Top Coat, and she's going to cure this for a full 60 seconds. Then we'll go ahead and cure that thumb for 20 seconds on each side, just to make sure that side is nice and cured, guys. So yeah, we have made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment if you have any questions, or comment and let me know what you guys like most from this video. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. To my subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.